Acting is everything but the words. What does that mean? Are you an actor that focuses so much on the lines, on the words, on the text, and you think, okay, I'm going to figure out how to say these words in an interesting way. That's the source of my acting. You are wrong. I'm not the one that said acting is everything but the words. That's not my quote. That's Stella Adler's quote. Who did Stella Adler teach? Did you know that Marlon Brando taped words on the bodies of his co-stars? Look at this photo, Robert Duvall. He put his lines on Robert Duvall while he was in The Godfather. What a terrible actor. Wrong. Acting is everything but the words. Well, let's look at Sanford Meiser's definition of acting. Acting is what? Living truthfully under imaginary circumstances. You need to focus on living truthfully. That's what acting is all about. Acting is doing. Meisner also said the foundation of acting is the reality of doing. Let's look at life right now. You right now possess more that has to do with acting than any text or any teacher could ever give you. What do you have within you right now that makes you a potentially great actor? You have instincts, you have imagination, and you have emotions. Those three things you work from, utilize, or experience every single day, and you have since the day you were born. You need to figure out a way to access your instincts, imagination, and emotions so that you can live truthfully like you do in real life all the time, but do it under imaginary circumstances. If you need help accessing those things within you, reach out. I do free consultations with actors all over the world. How do you work from your instincts? Well, what's instinct even mean? It means without conscious thought. So that, do you have this problem? When you're acting, you're not in your head thinking about your own acting. Do I look good? Does this side of my face work? Did I say that line right? Is my accent still? You don't need to be thinking those things while you're acting, because if you're in your head, you're dead. You need to be in the moment, and you can't be in your head and in the moment at the same time. So we actually train using repetition, the exercise invented by Sanford Meisner, to help you master the reality of doing and letting your instincts drive your acting. In repetition, it's all about being in the moment by putting all your attention on something outside of yourself, which is the other person, right? And then listen to them, observe them. And then if someone says something about the other person's behavior, which is the only thing that you can say, something about them, once it's said, then it gets repeated. You can actually repeat with reality, and you can listen with reality. Using that tool, we start to train your instincts. We start to help you master the reality of doing. That's what's going to help you do all of the things that have nothing to do with the words, so that the words and the text, the scenes, and the monologues that you ultimately act actually have the life that it requires for them to be scenes worth watching. It doesn't mean you will get a bunch of work, but it does increase your chances at success of being a great actor. And great actors usually work more than mediocre or bad actors. That's just the nature of life. But if you want to increase your chances at becoming a great actor, get in touch with me if you'd like, or just follow my videos. If you want to do it for free, that's totally great. Thank you so much for stopping by. Subscribe for more acting tips like this one.